Hi everyone, my name is Gillian for those who are new, and if you have been returning and supporting your girl, you know, you can call me G, Jills, Jilly, you know the vibes. So today is all about the skin, because let me tell you something. Gorgeous girls have acne prone skin, and that is me, because I feel like I'm a gorgeous girl but I do struggle with my skin. And for this year, my skin is one of my priorities to get right. So let's just start off. Gorgeous girls struggle with acne prone skin. I have acne prone skin, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how I get the moisture back into my skin and this lovely natural glow. I mean, it looks like I have highlighter on, but no, I don't. So before I continue with the video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because we have reached 1K subscribers and I couldn't have done that without you guys. So thank you so much for the continuous support and believing in me, and I can't wait to grow with you guys. Oh, sorry, I am wearing a top. For those who think I'm nude, I am not in a nude. I'm wearing a boob tube, okay? So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and comment if you are a gorgeous hun or a gorgeous like hunk who struggles with acne prone skin, because I just want to let you know you are not alone, okay? We are in the same WhatsApp group. Okay, I talk too much, so let's get into the video. So as you can see, there's like something on my face. This is just some calamine lotion that I applied the night before because my pimples on my face was very inflamed. Now to actually start the routine, I use the Micellar water from Ponds. I just feel like it's nice and it actually targets pimples. It's supposed to reduce pimples in like 3 days. I've been using this for a few weeks. Have I really seen a reduction? No, but I bought it and I'm about to use it. I just put some on the cotton pad, make sure the cotton pad is wet, and I rub away any residue on my face. I like starting my face off very clean. When I say clean, I mean like no residue before I start washing it. So just wiping everything away and making sure I get the residue gone. Oh yeah, forget what I said, just come on over. Oh, forget what I said, just come on over. You can see there is residue on the cotton pad. This is just from the calamine and any dry skin that's been on my face. And this is why it's so important for me to always make sure I clean my face before washing it. I guess because even during the night, I don't know, I just feel like my skin gets dirty during the night. Now I'm using a second cotton pad. This is once again just to make sure I get everything. As you can still see, there was a bit of residue. My skin is quite inflamed. Look at those pimples. This side is not that bad, but it's little pimples with a bit of pigmentation scarring, and trust me, it does get me down, but we keep on going while I keep going forward. You're not good for me, yeah. What if I'm not good for you? What if you're not good for me, yeah. I just got out of the shower, so my pores are quite open, and there are some whiteheads around my nose that I need to get rid of. I actually hate popping anything. I know people like pimple popper and all that jazz. I just don't like it. But I do this like once a month, and then I use a tissue to pop or to release the whiteheads. I always make sure to do this when I'm out the shower and my pores are open. What if you're no good for me? What if I'm no good for you? You can see that there are still some whiteheads around my nose. Don't ask me what causes whiteheads, but this is a little trick that I like using, especially around my nose. If I can't get to all the whiteheads, I just take a flossing stick and I do like an upward movement to release the whiteheads. As you can see, they are coming out. I know it looks painful. I guess I'm just used to it, so for me it's just like whatever. And then of course I clean it up with a tissue. All this is before I start washing my face. You can see how my skin is looking quite dry. The pimples are out there, the acne, the scarring, the pigmentation. I mean, every day when I look at my skin, my heart breaks because I have spent so much money on it, and I have not really, like, I've seen results, but they only last for a little while. Now to wash my face, I'm using the gel cleanser from Eucerin. I have used this for about 6 months. This is my second bottle, and you'll see I just do one pump and I apply the cleanser directly to my dry skin. I haven't added any water. I first apply the cleanser to my skin, then I just massage it in. After I feel like it's been massaged in enough, I add a bit of water to my hand and I continue to massage it in until it lathers. You'll see that I am doing circular motions. I actually don't know if there's a right or wrong way to wash your face. This is just the motion I use. So you can see I'm making sure I'm getting like everything, especially my problem areas and my neck. Guys, don't forget to wash your neck, please. So this gel cleanser is very light. It works for acne prone skin. Well, that is what they say, hence why I've been using it. Though I want your touch, baby, that's so high. Now to wash away the soap, I usually use this face sponge. I feel like it works best for me because when I wash my face and the water just goes everywhere and I don't like that, so I ended up just using a face sponge to, I guess, to wash the soap off. You'll see there might be some residue, but majority of the time it's just the soap and like dry skin. So yeah, this is what I use to wipe away the cleanser or to wash away the cleanser without leaving a big mess or water all over the place. I usually change out my sponges every second week or every week. I buy them in batches. It just makes it easier because you can't be using the same sponge for like a month. Bacteria and fungus, I think, or hygiene, for hygiene reasons, hence why I change it out quite often. After cleansing my skin, I go in with the Benzac AC Gel 5 for my pimples. Does it work? I don't know. But I do apply it on my pimples, especially like these new ones because they tend to be a bit inflamed. So you'll see that's the main focus. I just apply them where my pimples are, and after applying I usually wait for it to dry. It's all dry now. Now on to the moisturizing part. I'm using this Cetaphil Acne Prone Skin moisturizer, and it also has SPF 15 in it. I usually just do like 2 pumps and that's enough because a little goes a long way, but I always want to make sure my skin is fully moisturized. I've only been using this moisturizer face cream from Cetaphil for about, I want to say 3 weeks. So do I know if it works? I don't know, but I know it takes like 6 weeks for a product to start working or for me to see results. Yeah, my skin is just making me so depressed, but such is life. Now I'm going in with this Standard Beauty Pigmentation Buster. This is a new product from Standard Beauty. I've been using it for my pigmentation, and as per the instructions, I need to apply it after my moisturizer. Yeah, I mean, like, it's an oil-based serum, so I just press it into my skin. This is actually the first time pressing it into my skin. Usually I just put it all over my skin, but maybe the pressing in will have a different effect. As you can see, my scarring is quite dark, the pigmentation is dark, so I'm just trying to get rid of that. And whatever oil is left on my hands, I just rub that all over my neck. Then the most important part, it is sunscreen. This is the sunscreen from DermOpal SPF 30, and trust me, I do not play when it comes to sunscreen. I make sure there's a nice amount of sunscreen on my hand, and I will just put that all over my face, even if it takes me 10 minutes to rub it in. And also put sunscreen on my lips. I don't know, I just feel like I want to protect everything, including my lips. So yeah, just rubbing that all over my face until it dissolves. brush up my brows because I was just staying at home, making sure they're all brushed up. I guess looking cute. This is what they call natural beauty. And then I have been loving this Revlon Glow. It is a lip oil and it is amazing. It's a bit tinted, but it is so moisturizing. And this is it, guys, my morning skincare routine for acne prone skin. If you did like this video, you know what to do. Subscribe, like, and comment. Till next time, bye.